Hi guys, welcome to Caribbean Blend, and today I want to show you how to make my peach habanero honey butter wings. Okay, so to start off, you want to wash your chicken and then season. I'm not going to name out all the seasoning that I'm putting in, but I'm going to show you in front of the camera and you can copy. Or to your taste, season to your liking. All right, let's go. So after I'm finished seasoning up, I'm going to rub everything together and blend it in, right? Because it's called Caribbean Blend. After we're finished, you can go ahead and marinate it for a half an hour or as long as you want, even overnight. I marinated mine for half an hour, and now I'm going to fry. So to fry, you want to take out each piece individually and place them in the oil. Make sure your fire is set at medium heat. The reason for this, you do not want to burn your chicken. Because fried chicken is very complicated. It can look cooked on the outside, but on the inside, it's not cooked, all right? You can end up having raw chicken inside. You can also opt to use a food thermostat, right? So you place it inside of the chicken and it will tell you the right temp when it's cooked inside. To fry these, you want to make sure they're brown on both sides. It would be easier to use a deep fryer because deep fryer, once you put it in, it just fries on both sides. But I like to fry my chicken in a pot. The old school way. And like I want to mention, the peach habanero honey butter sauce. This is my special sauce that I created from scratch. And I'm not going to show everything that I put in my sauce because that's my secret for now. But you will see a little bit of how it's prepped and then bottled. But trust me, it is so delicious. It's the best sauce I've ever tasted. It's even better than any one of these dipping sauce that they sell out in the stores. Trust me. After frying, we want to put them in a bowl because this is where we will coat our chicken. To finish frying, I'm going to proceed to make my sauce. As you can see here, I'm going to start to make the sauce. I'm going to roast one habanero pepper. Depends on your, on the spice. I can put 2 habanero pepper, but I just put 1 for now. But if I want it more spicy, I can add more habanero pepper. Or Scotch bonnet pepper. I didn't have Scotch bonnet, so I used habanero. Here, I was finished with my sauce, and then now I'm blending it. I finished cooking it, and now I'm blending it up after it cooled down. And there you have it. peach habanero honey butter sauce. So delicious. Trust me, I use this on everything. Everything. On salads, sandwiches, use it and dip for fried chicken, everything. So creamy, so delicious. I don't think I could ever go back to hot wings. Trust me. And now that the NFL season is coming up, the football season, trust me, this is the way to go. All right. So now I'm just gonna blend everything together. And here you have it, guys. My peach habanero honey butter sauce. And as you can see, I paired it with some potato fries, which I also made. That's not part of the tutorial, but that's what I ate it with. So delicious. Go ahead and try it and let me know. And this is just an extra bonus, showing you I'm bottling up the rest of my sauce, because I will end up using it on different things. As I said, I use it for everything. It's an all-purpose sauce. Yep, Caribbean blend style. Now let me introduce you to my peach habanero honey butter sauce. Yes. And like always, I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching Caribbean Blend. Please like and subscribe.